Hello Guru Nation, welcome back to, this is not a podcast, there's no way we're gonna film a podcast in this heat.
Yes, I'm getting hot. I'm starting to sweat as it is.
We're sitting here to have good lighting for you guys, Guru Nation. Let me put my hat, turn my hat around.
Sweating and just sat down.
Yeah, so basically we had a question from a client and we thought others would benefit from this topic as well. So they were asking what a PICV, like if we have a template, and what it should look like. And Chris gave, this is our client, Chris gave them a good answer, but we're gonna get his take. My take is it doesn't even matter. The only thing that matters, your site name should be on the top, the site address should be on top of the PICV so that there is no doubt about where he or she works or what institution they're affiliated with. It should be yours if you're doing clinical research with them. Other than that, they don't really care where he's worked. They would want to look for previous research experience. If there is none, there is none, right? And so there's not much you can do there. Do you have anything to add here?
Yeah, I mean, you captured it all. You want to make sure that because they require your site name and address is on there. And if you don't have it, they're going to want an affiliation page, right? So you have to sign a document stating this physician's affiliated with my site.
Right.
But the research studies is very important. I'd say that's as important as the address. If your PI has experience, you need to list that. What studies? Some people say you should leave out the protocol number of the study. I don't really think it matters personally, but I know you kind of think it does. That you X out the protocol number.
Yeah, I think Xing out, well, I don't think it really matters. I think it matters in the sense that there are people who like to embellish their involvement with studies. So it is acceptable in our industry to X out any specifics about the drug or the pharma company or the sponsor.
Yes.
So that could work to your advantage. It would be very bad, obviously, if you lied, but apparently people don't care what we say. They just do what they feel, and that's fine. You know, I mean, it's your decision.
On you.
Yeah, we're just making these videos to kind of show you guys what a sponsor is looking at. At the end of the day, and especially in a 2020 world and 2021, I mean, there's a demand for researchers, there's a demand for patients in studies. It doesn't look like studies are going to be slowing down, even with the economy the economy is doing great now, but who knows what's going to happen in a year. But it doesn't look like research is slowing down.
No.
So they need, what does that tell you? They need more patients. So at the end of the day, if you're going to worry about putting anything on the PICV, don't be worried about no study experience. Worry about putting the site name, the address, and worry about highlighting their strengths. So if they see a lot of patients in their private practice, highlight that. Highlight it. Put exactly how many patients they see on the CV.
I would put 4 other things on the CV, just for convenience sake. Well, 3 other things for convenience sake. I would include the MPI number, the medical license number, and the DEA number. Just so you have it all in one place, it's easy to locate and find. Because oftentimes sponsors or CROs, they want this information, especially when filling out feasibility questionnaires. They may ask for one of these numbers. So I just think it's convenient to have it there, both for them, they can see it readily when you send the CV, and it's simple for you as well. If you're filling out some documentation that needs one of these numbers, it's right there on the CV. And then lastly, that neither Dan or I mentioned, is you want to have the PI sign and date the first or last page of the CV.
All right, thank you, Chris. Thank you, everybody out there. Go get it, guys. Take care.